we said I'm Reg Bond, nothing to do with James Bond, no sports cars, nothing like that, just the name, alright? Now I joined the prison service in 1997, and this project which we've got now has developed from there, and it's just got bigger and bigger. Believe it or not, the majority of the birds on these pictures here, and we'll go through all the different types of birds, and we've got 48 different types of birds of prey at our establishment. A bird of prey has to be fed every day, it should be flown every day, and the specialist feeding for it. There aren't any vegetarians here, is there? Anybody vegetarian? Right, they're all meat eaters, and the food which we've got for all these birds are 2-day-old chicks, and the European eagle, which I covered, which is this fellow here, and you'll see him, Morgan, and basically that is classed as a European eagle owl. This bird will hunt and has lived in the UK for many, many years. And what people say is, or not the RSPB, it's the RSPB who actually made the statement that the European owl is not a bird from the UK. Okay, then she can't walk up your arm. And look at that, that's absolutely fantastic picture. You get a big good picture on that.
We've been studying for the Festival of Flights, so we've come here to Blacktoft Sands.
Blacktoft Sands is an RSPB nature reserve.
We hope to see marsh harriers here.